Hello, welcome to Back to School Night. My name is Ron Boudreau. This is about AP Statistics. First of all, a little bit about me. My name is once again Ron Boudreau. I have a bachelor degree from Cal Poly Pomona in math, and then I also have a master's in geography from George Mason. And this is my 6 year teaching at Chantilly. So we'll go over this in the slides, just a curriculum overview, procedures, routines, cell phone policy, and so forth. Then we'll talk a little bit about the grading and attendance policies, and then finally we'll wrap it up with how Schoology is organized. Okay, so first of all, AP Statistics, you can read here the curriculum overview. I won't read all the details, but it's basically an introductory college level course in statistics. It introduces major concepts for collecting, analyzing, and drawing conclusions from data. Uh, Students cultivate their understanding of statistics using technology, investigation, problem solving, and so forth. There's a lot of writing in this class, so a lot of it is collection of data, and then you process it, and then you form conclusions. But a lot of it's interpretation. So there's a lot of it's not just computation like a math class. There's a lot of writing and critical thinking. So here's some procedures. Basically, a typical daily routine would be kids come in, I take attendance. If there's any announcements, I always go through the agenda, so there always should be really clear what to expect, what we're covering, when the assessments are, and then we'll do some kind of a lesson, and then we'll have some kind of practice, either an activity or a worksheet, something like that. And then, so here's a goal for the class. The goal is, beyond learning statistics, it's also just uh, to build hopefully a sense of community where kids enjoy coming to class. I want it to be kind of a safe space so kids can, be themselves. They can express their interests and so forth. And we'll explore other topics that relate to math, such as college planning, science, art, music, whatever comes up. Okay, first of all, so the cell phone policy is really clear cut. No cell phones or accessories at all throughout the entire day, except for at lunchtime. So so specifically for my class, they will just never cell phones will never be allowed at all in my class. So this year we have it's new homeroom versus flex. So we do have this same thing as last year homeroom, but it's gonna be the period's gonna be divided between homeroom and then flex is where kids can move around to other teachers that have their classrooms available and open. And my class will typically be open for kids to, if they need help, they can come see me. Okay, so a little bit about the grading. The grade is basically 70% of it will be the summative assessments, and that will be the tests, and those are retakeable. And then 30% will be formative, so that would be quizzes, any kind of practice we do, um, any kind of classwork, AP classroom assignments. Here's some more policies. So retakes basically if anything less, if they score less than 40, sorry, less than 90% on a summative assessment, they can retake it for up to 90%. But they have to do test corrections first. Late work, basically all the homework, AP classroom, textbook, homework assignments, those are due before the unit test because the whole point of them is to prepare for the test. And then, you can read here the academic integrity. We expect that they have integrity in all aspects of the class, and good attendance is essential for success. Okay, Schoology is organized this way. The red folder it contains the syllabus, other important information. Green folder is always going to be the most current unit, and then previous units are going to be in yellow folders. How best can you support your student in this course? Um, just ensure that they come on a regular basis, good attendance, that they do their homework, They ask questions. They don't violate the cell phone policy and so forth. So if the kids need help, I'm here. I'm at school pretty much every day after school. Thursday is a late bus, so they can just come in after school, make an appointment with me. I do host clubs, so typically on Tuesday and Wednesday I'm busy with clubs, but they can still stop by if they have any questions. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Here's my email. That's the best way to contact me, and I try to respond fairly quickly. Thank you so much.